some beer. You also need a container for said beer. Don't forget the ice. And one thing I like to do to really make sure that that beer stays cold is salt that ice. Like so. And just toss in some water to start the process. So now that you got the essentials, the rest of the ingredients you need are going to be pretty easy. We got our beer brats, our buns, our sauerkraut, some homemade salsa, and we'll toss in one little hot dog for the kiddo. So I like to use a propane grill. I think the propane is one of the easiest to use. I'm not a big fan of the charcoal grill. I think charcoal has a wonderful taste, but the propane is just so much easier, so much cheaper. I have a charbroil 4-burner grill, pretty simple. Down here, we got our propane, which I'm gonna go ahead and turn on right now. So now we got our gas rolling. Gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Make sure that you always, clean off your grill. I like to typically clean mine when I'm done grilling. We're gonna turn our burners on like this. Get that nice fire rolling. Close it. You want to grab one of your beers and start the timer. It has begun. So it's going to take about 1 beer in order for that thing to heat up to the temperature you want it to be. All right, let's check our temperature. So our temperature is right at about 550. That's right where I want it. Most of the things you're gonna read are gonna say somewhere around 3 to 350. I'm gonna cook my grill all the way up to 550 to get this thing started. Now we're on a timer, so before I open up my brats, you need to open another beer. Open up your brats. Open up the grill. And space them out however you want. Now, I'm going to turn the temperature down to medium and season that beer. This step right here, you used a little bit of the beer that you have, so it's gonna be about 1 to 2 more beers. Now what you want to do, go ahead and open her up. Ooh, lordy. Flip them over. Now these babies I'm going to go ahead and set on my top shelf up here. We need to add a little bit more seasoning. Don't try this at, be careful. Ooh, we got pine needle. Close her up and let it cook for about another beer's worth. All right. doggy. We're gonna flip these brats one more time. And toss on the baby's hot dog. Give it another beer or so. With this one, we're gonna shotgun. What's up, Porter? Start the timer. All right, so that's how you make bratwurst. I'm gonna put it right there. Get some of that homemade salsa. Get some of that dill relish. Get some of that sauerkraut on there. It's good. For more how-tos, challenges, and reviews, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm your Brew Captain. Stay savvy.